With 4 100-watt RMS channels each at 2 ohms, the TS400x4 outputs a total power of 400 watts RMS. In addition to being a multi-channel amplifier, it has an extra touch of versatility as it's possible to wire 2 channels in bridge. The TS400x4 is perfect for anyone looking for a small footprint, high-quality amplifier. It boasts an abundance of features such as high and low pass filters and level control. The sleek design of the chassis combined with high performance makes it one of the most eye-catcher amplifiers on the market. Let's check for more details. RCA audio input, adjustable level for channels 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Crossover function with a switch for channels 1 and 2 and another for channels 3 and 4 and the following positions. Full, responding from 18 Hz to 30 kHz. High pass filter, responding to frequencies from 90 Hz. Low pass filter, responding to frequency range up to 90 Hz, ideal for subwoofers. LED indicator on, showing when the amplifier is operating. Power input, positive and ground, connecting 11 gauge cables. Remote activation input that connects 18 gauge cables. Speaker output compatible with 15 gauge cables. Chassis made of aluminum, which in addition to ensuring robustness, provides optimal heat dissipation. Output short circuit protection system and thermal protection. TS400x4, compact in dimensions, grand in quality. Do you want to learn more? Feel free to visit us. The DS800x4 is a full-range amplifier as it reproduces frequency ranges from 10 Hz to 22 kHz. It was designed with high technology, delivering high sound quality and versatility to car audio systems. With a maximum power of 800 watts RMS and available at 1 or 2 ohm versions, it is a very versatile amplifier since it can also be connected in bridge, turning 2 channels of 200 watts into a channel with 400 watts at 2 or 4 ohms depending on the impedance of the model. Its versatility is remarkable in its various application possibilities, as it can be connected to all types of transducers, subwoofers, woofers, mid-range, drivers, super tweeters, among others. Let's check for more details. Standard RCA audio input, adjustable level, 1 switch for channels 1 and 2 and 1 switch for channels 3 and 4. Independent crossover function, with a switch for channels 1 and 2 and another for channels 3 and 4 with the positions full, amplifying the entire audio range from 10 Hz to 22 kHz. High pass filter, amplifying signals from 90 Hz. Low pass filter, amplifying only the sub-bass and bass and the frequency range up to 90 Hz. LED indicator on, showing that the amplifier is working. Power input, positive and ground, connecting 7 gauge cables. Input for remote activation that includes cables from 18 gauge. Speaker output compatible with 15 gauge cables. Chassis made of aluminum, which in addition to ensuring robustness, provides optimal heat dissipation. Short circuit and output overload protection system. DS800x4, expanding your possibilities with versatility, efficiency, and quality. Do you want to learn more? Visit MD1200.1. With a channel of 1200 watts RMS in versions of 1, 2, and 4 ohms, this amplifier was designed with the highest technology, offering high performance and efficiency for the most varied types of car audio systems. Its wide frequency response, ranging from 10 Hz to 20 kHz, makes it suitable for various types of speakers, subwoofers, woofers, mid-bass, mid-range, full range, drivers, super tweeters, among others. Let's check for more details. Audio input via RCA. Adjustable level. High pass variable from 10 Hz to 80 Hz. Low pass variable from 80 Hz to full. Bass boost that allows you to boost the 50 Hz range by up to 10.5 decibels, intensifying the bass. LED indicators on, clip, and protection. M1 LED monitor output. Accessory that can be purchased separately. Speaker output that handles 11 gauge cables. Input for remote activation. Remote input that handles 5 gauge cables. Chassis made of aluminum, which in addition to ensuring robustness, provides more efficiency in heat dissipation. It also features a smart cooler. Output short circuit protection system, low impedance protection, low voltage and high voltage protection, and thermal protection. MD1200.1, power, efficiency, and sophistication with Taramps quality. Do you want to learn The TL1500 is designed to deliver high-quality sound to factory or customized car audio systems. This amplifier has 3 channels with the following features. 2 stereo channels with 95 watts RMS at 2 ohms each, ideal for running door and cargo cover speakers with a frequency response from 90 Hz to 30 kHz. 1 channel for subwoofers, which delivers 200 watts RMS at 4 ohms with a frequency response from 15 Hz to 90 Hz. For the sub-channel, we also have bass boost, which allows for better bass performance, boosting the 50 Hz range by up to 10 decibels. Let's check for more details. Audio input via standard RCA. High-level signal, ideal for cars with factor or multimedia head units. This input features a system called ART, which recognizes the presence of audio and activates the amplifier automatically, eliminating the need for remote activation. In the absence of audio, the amplifier is automatically turned off. 11-gauge power input cables, positive and negative. Speaker output compatible with 15-gauge cables for channel 1 and 2 and 13-gauge for channel 3. Remote activation input that connects 18-gauge cables. Aluminum chassis, which in addition to ensuring robustness, provides optimal heat dissipation. Short circuit, low impedance protection and thermal protection. TL1500, upgrading your car audio system with Taramps quality. Do you want to learn more? You can visit us. MD 1800.1 with a channel of 1800 watts RMS in versions of 1, 2, and 4 ohms. This amplifier was designed with the highest technology, offering high performance and efficiency for the most varied types of sound systems. Its wide frequency response goes from 10 Hz to 20 kHz, making its application possible in all types of speakers: subwoofers, woofers, mid-bass, mid-range speakers, drivers, super tweeters, and others. Let's check for more details. Audio input via RCA. Adjustable level. High pass variable from 10 Hz to 80 Hz. Low pass variable from 80 Hz to 20 kHz. Bass boost, boosting the 50 Hz range by up to 10 decibels, intensifying the bass. LED indicating on, clip, and protection. Output for M1 LED monitor, accessory that can be purchased separately. Speaker output that handles 11-gauge cables. Input for remote activation. Power input that handles 4-gauge cables. Chassis built in aluminum, which in addition to ensuring robustness, provides more efficient heat dissipation. It also has a smart cooler. Output short circuit protection system, low impedance protection, low voltage and high voltage protection, and thermal protection. MD 1800.1 power, efficiency, and sophistication with Taramps quality. Want to learn more? Visit us at